Good morning everybody, my name is Jimmy, welcome to my channel. I'm here with Ollie today.
Morning guys.
Ev's here. Our Koeberg Coast training schedule is well underway. For those of you who don't know, Koeberg Coast is a 100-kilometer race that we do in September every year. It's from Uniondale to Knysna. We've been a little bit slack on the kilos these days, so we've decided to take on a road/trail ride. So we're gonna go down, go past Koeberg Strand towards Koeberg, do that trail and come back, plus minus about 75 to 80 k. So yeah, taking you guys along for the ride. Let's get that cadence going. Here we go, the infamous Koeberg Strand, Koeberg Beach. Behind me, Table Mountain. This is normally where you see all those postcards views. It's from here. Stunning. Beautiful. Right, here we go. We've arrived. This is the gate to Koeberg Nature Reserve. That over there, that's the power station. And that is the gate. Big thing not to forget when you're doing this trail, remember your ID, driver's license or passport, because you actually need to sign in. Without that, they're not going to let you in. Just came into the reserve. We're already seeing some game. We're very lucky. Springbok. Oh, what a sight. Ah, so gracious, quite tame. Clearly they're used to cyclists. That is what's so nice about Koeberg Nature Reserve. Although it's not a mountain bike trail in the sense of mountains, steep uphills, steep downhills, the scenery is quite nice. You can see some game. And especially if you want to come and cycle with a family, with your wife and the kids, this is the ideal place to do it. Very nice family outing, not elevation, it's all jeep track. And yeah, even takes you to the coast. Oh, look at this. Sure. What a beautiful sight. This is absolutely stunning. Pelicans over there. Having a nice swim. Looking for some fish. Sure, what a spectacular spot. Yeah, what a place for a break. Oh, look at that. The ocean. Getting there. But first, we're going to have to negotiate the dune that's blown over the road. Now this is where a fat bike will come in handy. Ha! Yo! Oh my greatness. Yes! Made it! Yo. Luckily it rained last night, so the sand is pretty hard. Otherwise would have not made it through. Look at this. You going for it. Go away. Where else in Cape Town would you find a mountain biking trail with its own private beach?
Nowhere.
Nowhere. Yeah. So if you haven't made your way out to this trail yet, just come and do it for the views. It's a fantastic experience. One that you should do at least once. That's it, we're done with the ride. Here's some more eland. There's the gate, about to exit. The entire loop is about 30 kilometers. Yeah, so now we're going the same way back and end it all off with a nice ice cold beer. Hell yeah. Oh yeah, we have arrived at the pit stop. The Blue Peter. Beer's gonna be good now. Alright guys, that's my ride done and dusted. Thank you very much for joining us in this one. Not a usual trail that we've done, easy pedal, cross country type, but the views were spectacular. So thank you very much for joining. Please press on this globe around about here to subscribe. Please help me grow my channel, greatly appreciate it. And if you liked the video, please give me a thumbs up. Thank you. Cheers.